Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay.
You go first.
I'll go first. Right. Dear Leila. Who would have known that our very first adventure together would start with a swipe on the phone? A simple, tiny gesture that would change our lives forever. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, you look so good. Our love isn't a grand fairy tale made from one magical fleeting moment, but rather a collective of magic moments daily. Our love is enduring. Through the good times and the bad, we always fall together and never apart. I love you so much. I can't imagine life without you. And I'm so excited for our next adventures together.
Every part of me, I'm yours.
Josh, I remember the first day we met like it was yesterday. Even though it's been over 8 years since we've swiped right. We've simply spoke for hours about life, not knowing that one little swipe would have a huge butterfly effect on the rest of our lives. We've endured so many moments together, both fun and challenging, and it's driving me crazy that I have to summarize it, because I don't want to summarize it.
It's okay.
I don't want to summarize it, anything we've done, because every second with you has been the best second of my life.
When I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Through everything you stand, hand in hand, I'm yours.
I love our love. It's wholesome, pure, calm, full of laughter and silliness. It grows every day like that insanely full head and chest of hair that you have that I love.
Shots fired.
You're my best friend, my rock, my safe space. You're the light of my life. You're the reason I always want to be better, because you deserve that. And I love you so much, and I can't wait to work together.
I love you so much. I love your laugh. I love the way cute things make you cry. I love our adventures together. I love our little family. And I even love your sass. I promise to always love you forever. Forever, ever? Forever. I really do. With this ring, I'll let thee.
Forever and ever.
What?